What? I'm in space? Who are you? And where am I? Humans are so weird. Wake up, sleepyhead. Woohoo! Yippee! Oh great, you're alright. Thank goodness. Luckily you're alive, because I can't afford another ticket from the Intergalactic Guardians for interfering with a lesser life form again. So, now that you're done bumping into everything and knocking yourself out, we can go wherever or whenever you want. I want to go back to ancient Rome and see and try all the food that I love. Alright then, off we go. Hey, wait up. I don't see any tomatoes or pasta. What's the deal? Well, it'll be at least 1,000 more years before Rome is introduced to either of those two foods. Aw man, what a waste of a trip.